Today we'll be learning how to make a Pikachu origami. You'll need a yellow piece of paper, a red marker, a black marker, and a pencil. To start, you'll take the yellow piece of square paper and fold it up the middle. As you can see, I'm folding down the crease and flattening it out. Next, you'll fold it over again and make a very light crease. Then you'll open it back up. Now begin to fold 1 centimeter up from the bottom to create the ears. Now that you've folded the bottom part up into the centimeter, you can take 1/2 of the triangle and fold it up into a square. As you can see, I'm folding 1/2 and I'm flattening it out, and now I'm taking the other half and putting it in part of the square as well. Just make sure that you flatten it out and make sure that it's all together. Now, make a small triangle from the bottom to the top, facing toward Pikachu's ears. Once you're done with that step, flip Pikachu over and fold a little bit of the top towards the inside. Now you can start to tuck in each of the sides, flipping Pikachu over so that you fold the triangle on the same side you folded it on before. It can be small triangles, enough to make the body of Pikachu. Now it's time to color in Pikachu's ears. Take your black marker and start by tracing a line, a diagonal line, to make a triangle on the top of each ear, and you can color that in. Now comes the moment you've all been waiting for. We're gonna give Pikachu eyes, a nose, and a mouth so that he can see, eat, and breathe. Start by drawing a circle below one of his ears. This is to create his eyes. Now draw another circle under his other ear. Once you've done that, make a smaller circle within each circle to create the outline for his eyeballs. Now that you've done that, create a half circle just below his 2 eyes. This makes his nose. Then, create 2 half circles, but draw them together to create his mouth. Now, using the black marker again, you can go back and trace over the outline of Pikachu's eyes, nose, and mouth, but make sure to only color in the big circle of his eyes. Don't color in the second circle that you drew inside of the eyes. Okay, once you're done with that step, use the red marker to draw cheeks on Pikachu's face. Make a circle on each side of his face, slightly below his eyes and to the side of his mouth. Try to make sure that each cheek is slightly bigger than each eye. Wow! Congrats on making your Pikachu origami. If you follow these steps, I can tell it came out great. Good job.